wants to know, does Superman really need to wear his cape to fly? Where does rain come from, and can I play outside? And all my friends have daddies, mommy, why don't I? And so I wear waterproof mascara. There's things you shouldn't see when you're a kid. Thank God they make waterproof mascara, 'cause it won't run like his daddy did. So I'm dating again. Letting my guard down is just so hard to do. I've never introduced my son to someone new, 'cause if I get my heart broke, I know he will too.